Short advertising tips. So how to choose the right advertising bidding strategy. So we have options: dynamic bids up and down, dynamic bids down only, and fixed bids. I'm gonna skip I'm gonna skip the dynamic bids up and down because I think it's completely useless. I know there are some use cases maybe, but I don't like leaving so many decisions to the Amazon algorithm for many different reasons. So I would talk about dynamic bids only and fixed bids. It's important to understand the difference between the bid and the CPC. So you can bid $100 for a single keyword. It doesn't mean that you will pay $100 for that keyword unless there is somebody else that crazy to bid that high. Nothing's going to change. So you can bid $100, and if somebody else is bidding 50 cents, you're going to pay 51 cents. So it's how the auction works. It's the second highest wins. So dynamic bids I would only use in the already established campaigns where you see a solid conversion rate. The algorithm had enough of data to actually knows what works and what's not, and can lower the bids if it calculates that it's less likely that your auction, your product's gonna win. Now it's important to note that this dynamic bids down only can lower your bid by 100%, meaning that you will not bid anything, you will completely skip the auction. On the other side, fixed bids will let you bid as aggressively as you like. So bid as much as high as you can. So it doesn't mean again that you will be having exact CPC as your bid is. You will only be paying up to let's say if you're bidding $10, you're gonna maximum bid up to $10. So if somebody else overbids you, that's it. You're not going to see any click. But if somebody's all the other competition are bidding $5, you will win by $5.01. So fixed bids are really great for new product launches when you have your single keyword campaigns and your other campaigns from the launch package, and you want to be sure that you are actually in the auction and the algorithm is not skipping your product. Also good for relaunches and in general for all the campaigns that you want to have an absolute control over what's happening with the bids. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.